And now I'm gonna also add my pineapple. Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make you some pineapple baked chicken. So here I have some chicken, leg and thigh. This is what it looks like. It's already washed, it's clean. These are all my seasoning. You have all-purpose seasoning, 1 spoonful. You have garlic powder, 1 teaspoonful. You have everyday seasoning, 1 spoonful. You have black pepper, 1 teaspoonful. You have paprika, 1 spoonful. And you also have chicken seasoning, 1 spoonful. And I also have some Chinese seasoning, 1 teaspoonful. So first I'm just gonna take my hands and just blend all my seasoning together. And I'm just gonna pour it all over my chicken. Just take your hand and just massage it. Just make sure all the seasoning is on the chicken. That's very important. Look at that. Looks so good already. And I'm also gonna add just 1 teaspoonful of vegetable oil, just for it to be moist. And I'm not gonna marinate my chicken. You can always marinate your chicken if you want to. So here I have a tray, and to my tray I add my baking paper. So I just put some vegetable oil at the bottom so my chicken doesn't stick. So now I'm gonna add my chicken to my tray, and I'm gonna allow it to bake for at least 30 minutes and 150 degrees. The color of the chicken is amazing. Nice color. So it's in there now. So I'm just gonna put it in my oven now. So it's been 30 minutes and I just removed my chicken from the oven. So this is what it looks like. So now I'm gonna put it back in my oven for at least the next 20 minutes because it's not finished, and 150 degrees. So my chicken is finally finished, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, it is nice and brown, and this is exactly how I want it. I also remove the excess gravy from it because I don't need it. So these are all my ingredients for my sauce. So here I have 1/4 cup of pineapple juice, and I also have 2 spoonfuls of ketchup, some chopped pineapple, some sugar. This is 2 spoonfuls of granulated sugar, some bell pepper. You can see all the colors, onions, and some carrot, and some ginger. And I also have some garlic. So in this pot I add at least 1 spoonful of vegetable oil. It is hot, so now I'm gonna add all my herbs. And you're gonna leave it for at least 3 minutes just to saute. And now I'm gonna also add my pineapple. And you just leave it for at least 1 minute. And I'm gonna add my pineapple juice. My sugar. And my ketchup. And I'm gonna also add some all-purpose seasoning. Some salt, pinch of salt. And some black pepper. Just give it a stir. And I'm gonna also add some soy sauce. Not a lot. That's it. And I'm gonna give it a taste. That is so yummy, guys. That is so delicious. I'm gonna leave it for at least 5 minutes and it should be ready. So my sauce is finished and this is what it look like. It looking so good, guys, and so yummy. What I did, I add some more ketchup to it just for it to be more thick. You can always add more ketchup if you want to. So now I'm gonna take my sauce and just pour it all over my chicken. So here I have my chicken. So now I'm gonna pour all my sauce on top of my chicken. And I'm gonna put it back in my oven for 10 minutes and 150 degrees. Look at that. So you're gonna make sure you put all your sauce all over your chicken so it is nice and moist. So now I'm gonna put it back in my oven. Guys, look at that. It's looking so yummy and so delicious. So my pineapple baked chicken is finally finished and this is what it look like. It's looking so delicious, guys. I hope you guys do try this recipe. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plate it up for you and show you how it looks on the plate. So this is how my pineapple baked chicken looks like on the plate. It's looking so yummy and so delicious. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, share for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.